Okay, so for this one we're going to look at date and time data. And there'll be a few times we may need to apply these concepts. Now let's have a look at formatting. Now I've created a new row here, and you can do so too on the sheet by going to click on here, right click and insert, and that creates a new row. I've just done two, so let's have a look here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a random date. I'm going to put in my date for today. So my date today is the 8th of the 5th, 2017. And you'll see what will happen here is we're going to look at date formatting. Now we can format our date and our times. And this is how you can do it. If you click on the cell that you're wanting to format, and then you're on the home button, under number you'll see an option here. It's already picked up date. Now there's two options here. I can either make it a short date or I can make it a long date. Now when you see hashtags like this, it usually means that the cell's too small. So we need to make it bigger so that it can show. There we go. So it's picked up Monday the 8th of the 5th, which you can see is my current date. Or I can make it short again. So there you go, long or short. And that's how you can format the dates. Now there's a lot of other things that you can do with dates. And Excel lets you insert the current date and or time automatically. Now this can be one that doesn't change, so you can insert it and it stays that way, or you can actually do it so it updates itself automatically. And there's a lot of ways that you can do this. One way is through keyboard shortcuts, and I'll have an image below underneath this video with those types of shortcuts for both static and dynamic. I'm going to show you first. So this is how to insert the current date as control column. So that's automatically inserted the current date. I'm going to show you how to insert the current time. So you go hold on to control, hold on to shift, and then column. And it's showing my current time here. Now if you want to do current date and time, you can go control column, then space, then control shift column. And it'll insert those things. Now the thing is, it won't update this automatically. So what that means is if you open it later, it'll still show this. So what the cool part that you'll want to look at is, and I'm going to insert two more rows to show the difference. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this stuff here and show that this is static and then this is dynamic. Dynamic, on the other hand, will update. So if I look at today's date, what I can actually do is I can go equals today and I can enter that. And what that tells us now is if you open it tomorrow, it won't show. This one will show the 9th. This one will still show you the 8th. So bear that in mind. If we do dynamic for current date and time, it goes equals now and enter. So this is the current date and the time. And as we go through in the worksheet, keep an eye on this, because I'm hoping for 1 minute to go by and you'll see that this will change as well. Now if we go current time, it's the same thing, equals now. So if I go equals now again, equals now, and I change this to just time. If I refresh, notice how here it's already updated from 4 to 5. So this will always be a live timestamp. And one reason you might want to do this is if anyone prints out your Excel spreadsheet, it shows the time that it was printed out. There's a whole heap of other reasons why you might want to do this as well, to help you track yourself with dates. But again, try this yourself with the shortcuts that are under this video. So many different reasons to create dates. If you've done The Office, you would have noticed a booking system that was being used that actually used equals today plus X amount of days. So you can also do that as well. So what I want you to do, try it. Test it, play around with it. One of your activities might even entail using this skill set. So well done on getting on this far in your lesson, and I hope you've been having fun so far.